Hello, netizens. Welcome back. Today, we are going to go through another exciting topic, remdesivir. This drug has caught the attention of the people all around the world as a potential treatment for COVID 19. Let's see what actually is in store with remdesivir. Could remdesivir be the treatment for COVID 19? Remdesivir is an antiviral medication developed by the American biopharmaceutical company Gilead Sciences. Remdesivir GS 5734 is being used in clinical trials for treating coronavirus SARS CoV 2, which is the virus that causes COVID 19. A clinical study of remdesivir against SARS-CoV-2 showed remdesivir powerfully blocked the virus infection at a low concentration, and it showed high selectivity index, which means high effectiveness. Remdesivir was shown to have broad spectrum anti-coronavirus activity. There are currently many clinical trials testing how well remdesivir treatment works against the coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 and to evaluate its safety in treating COVID-19. Clinical trials are also being done on remdesivir with a combination of other medicines thought to work against coronavirus. What is remdesivir? Remdesivir is an antiviral drug that blocks an enzyme that the virus uses to make copies of itself. So, there is a decrease in the quantity of coronavirus in the human body. Remdesivir has been studied in treatment of viruses that cause MERS, SARS, Ebola, and now SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. It should be noted that remdesivir was ineffective with Ebola. How does remdesivir work on COVID-19? For SARS-CoV-2 virus to make you sick, it has to infect your cells. Secondly, the virus needs to make a lot of copies of itself so it can spread around your body to make you sick. For the virus to make copies of itself, it needs an enzyme called RDRP, RNA dependent RNA polymerase. But the remdesivir stops the RDRP from working properly, so the virus can't make its copies. This stops the virus numbers from increasing and stops the infection getting worse. Is remdesivir an approved medicine by the FDA? Remdesivir is not an FDA approved medicine. FDA, Food and Drug Administration of the United States. Remdesivir is currently at the clinical trial stage of development, which is the primary way for patients to access remdesivir. Remdesivir is also now available under the Expanded Access Program, which means hospitals or physicians can apply for emergency use of remdesivir for multiple severely ill patients at a time. This is not for patients where enrollment in a clinical trial is not possible. What happens next? We are waiting for remdesivir clinical trials to be completed to find out how well remdesivir works to decrease any breathing issues, lung issues, or other complications that occur in COVID-19. The studies will also be looking for any side effects or any unexpected issues that may reduce remdesivir's usefulness in COVID-19 patients. There are also many other clinical trials using remdesivir in combination with other medicines that are hoped to treat COVID-19. Dr. Anthony Fauci, Director of National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, stated that the data shows that remdesivir has a clear-cut, significant positive effect in diminishing the time to recover. the FDA is working with Gilead Sciences Inc. to figure out mechanisms to make this easily available to those who need it. President Trump also has given the green signal for the FDA to put this medication on fast track for approval. It is a very important proof of concept because this is the first very highly powered trial in about 1100 individuals across the globe, and it was a placebo-controlled randomized trial, phase 3 trial, which is really the gold standard of how you prove something is safe and either works or doesn't work. And although the results were clearly positive from a statistically significant standpoint, they were modest. The improvement was 31% better chance of recovering and getting out of the hospital. They are yet to determine at what stage of the illness is the drug effective. Is it the early stage or the later stages of the course of the disease? This is the first time a medication has shown improvement outcomes in a clinical trial. That is important, but it is the first step in what projects will be better and better drugs coming along, either alone or in combination drugs of this type and drugs addressing other targets of the virus. However, this is not the total answer by any means, but the very important first step. The FDA is expected to grant emergency usage for this so that it could be put into practice right away. The WHO is yet to give its approval, stating that the need to review the complete study is yet to be done. The company that makes the drug has described it as a very complex process, as it is not easy and it is not a pill. It is intravenous. It takes many months to manufacture. However, sources state that the company is ready to deliver up to 1.5 million doses, which can treat up to 1.4 million patients, and they are really committed to get it out as much as they can, as quickly as they can. India, on the other hand, too, is watching the progress being made on remdesivir and is collecting data to prove the drug's worth. Even though there isn't 100% proof of the drug being a lifesaver in the front line, a little hope is always welcome. The bottom line is, remdesivir is one medication that is currently being trialed to treat patients with complications from COVID-19. Remdesivir stops the virus from making copies of itself by stopping the RDRP from doing its job properly. This stops the virus numbers from increasing and stops the infection getting worse. Remdesivir is not currently approved by FDA and is in clinical trial stage of development and also available under the Expanded Access Program. Side effects and potential complications of remdesivir at different stages of the viral cycle are still unknown. From the trials done so far, results show that remdesivir is effective at early stages of infection by restricting the multiplication of the viral cells in the human body. Its effectiveness at a later stage in the infection is yet to be determined. Well, hope you have understood the significance of remdesivir right now. It is still in clinical trial stages and its effectiveness is yet to be determined and approved by the FDA as well as the World Health Organization. That's it from me right now, guys. I'll get back to you with more interesting news from around the globe. For now, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, and do not forget to leave your comments below. Also, click on the bell icon so that you can get updates on my new videos. That's it for now. Please stay safe, stay home. Ta-ta.